House Bill 2810 is a redo of what Senator Farnsworth ran last year in the civil asset forfeiture realm. And you know, really it's about the presumption of innocence. It's about believing that one's innocent until proven guilty in this country. That's something I hold dear. I know all of you do as well. And when we see law enforcement take people's belongings when they haven't been convicted of a crime, we have a serious problem. And you're going to hear from a few experts in this field you've probably heard from before that are going to kind of explain to you how serious this practice has become with regards to taking things from people that might be worth $1,000 or $2,000 and then it taking years to get them back and possibly costing them $5,000 or $10,000. You can imagine that doesn't work very well for most people.
I'm Sheila Polk and I serve as the Yavapai County Attorney, and I oppose this bill. The rationale for civil asset forfeiture is to provide the state and victims of crime a remedy to recover their money when a criminal conviction is not possible. This bill guts that very premise. And absolutely, forfeited funds pay for a large portion of criminal justice operations across the state.
I'm representing, obviously, Gilbert Police Department, but representing the Arizona Chief of Police Association, ACOP. The most concerning part of the proposed bill is the imposition of a criminal conviction requirement on civil asset forfeiture cases.
Senator Petersen?
Yeah, just some brief comments. I just got to say that law enforcement, you guys blew it. When it comes to civil asset forfeiture, you guys have abused this process. And this is the consequence of that. Is this balanced? I believe it is. Sounds like there's been a lot of work on it. If it's not, we can come back and do some work on it. But we certainly should, it's time for us to favor all of these peoples who have had their rights abused. And I hope law enforcement learns a lesson from this. With that, I vote aye.
8 ayes, 0 nays, 0 not voting.